Hello guys, today we'll be starting with a little bit different adjustment problem. So the question number 9 and page number 227 is our next problem. Yes, let us go through the question. The following were the balance sheets of Murthy and Mehta and Shastri and Sundar as on 31st 12 1984. You have the balance sheet data, credit liabilities and assets. Murthy and Mehta, Shastri and Sundar, Murthy and Mehta, Shastri and Sundar. Next, Murthy and Mehta shared profits in the ratio of 3:2, that is profit sharing ratio, and Shastri and Sundar in the ratio of 7:3, that is profit sharing ratio. They decide to amalgamate their business on 1/1/1985. The following adjustments are to be made in the balance sheet of Murthy and Mehta. First, let us go through the adjustments to be made in Murthy and Mehta's balance sheet. Yes, stock to be depreciated by 10%. In revaluation account it affects. Debtors amounting to Rs 3,000 were bad debts. Revaluation account and new firm account. Buildings were to be revalued at 60,000. Actual value of buildings is also 60,000, so need not worry about it. Machinery was to be appreciated by 6,000. Machinery, the value is increased here, so you'll be recording it on credit side of revaluation account. The investments were not to be taken over by the new firm. This means what? You have to distribute of investments to the partners in partners capital account. You should not take these investments to new firm account. Distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio among Murthy and Mehta. Next, the following adjustments were to be made in the balance sheet of Shastri and Sundar. Stock depreciated by 7,500. It is not to 7,500. It is by 7,500. What is stock value of Shastri and Sundar? It is 2,25,000. 2,25,000 minus 75,000 will be revalued value. The difference value is 7,500. Next, 5% provision for bad and doubtful debts to be made. Revaluation account it affects and new firm account. Next, furniture is not to be taken over by the new firm. As similar in the previous one, that is investments to be distributed in profit sharing ratio, here furniture will be distributed in profit sharing ratio in partners capital account. Further, the goodwill of Murthy and Mehta was valued at 15,000. Distribute in profit sharing ratio in partners capital account on credit side, and Shastri and Sundar 24,000 same way. Goodwill should not be shown in the books of new firm. I have told you, if this is the case, what you have to do? You have to prepare partners capital account in the third step of amalgamation. There you will be distributing goodwill among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. All the partners share profits and losses in the new firm equally. Equally in the sense 1:1:1. Now, the capital of the new firm was fixed at 6 lakhs rupees. This is the new adjustment in our problem. 6 lakh rupees in the sense, what is the profit sharing ratio? 1:1:1. And 6 lakhs rupees it is fixed. So each partner will get how much? 6 lakhs divided by 4. So you will be getting 1,50,000 for each partner. So whenever there is fixed capital, there will be existence of another account. What is that? Partner's current account. So this is the new adjustment in our problem. I will tell you how to show the effect of this new adjustment, and this is going to affect only in your third step of amalgamation, that is new firm, in the books of new firm, in the partner's capital account. That's all. Nowhere it is going to affect you. Yes, so let us start with the solution. Solution part. First step, in the books of Murthy and Mehta, you will be preparing revaluation account, stock value, reduction in the stock value by 10%, 15,000, debtors, bad debts 3,000, reduction in debtors, machinery appreciation in the asset, that is increase in the value of asset 6,000. The difference is revaluation loss transferred to partners capital account. Next is partners capital account. Partners capital account, if you have revaluation loss, transfer it, balance, transfer goodwill 15,000, distribute in profit sharing ratio. Next, investments. It is not to be taken to the next new firm. That is the reason you are distributing these investments to partners in their profit sharing ratio. Now, why are you recording goodwill on credit side and investments on debit side? Goodwill is taken to new firm, but it is not shown in the balance sheet, but it is taken to new firm. Whereas investments, it is not at all taken to new firm. and nowhere it will be part of new firm. That is the reason you are clearing of the balance in partners capital account itself. Next, difference amount, transfer it to new firm account, and the last thing in first step is new firm account. Last thing, new firm account, that is third account. Building as it is, machinery revalued value, furniture as it is, stock revalued, debtors revalued, cash at bank as it is, and goodwill, the new item. You are not showing investments here because it is not taken to new firm. Next, creditors, bills payable, partners capital account as it is shown in partners capital account balance. Yes. Now, next, second step is in the books of Shastri and Sundar. In the books of Shastri and Sundar, first account to be prepared is revaluation account. Revaluation account, similar stock, asset value is decreased 7,500, debtors, that is provision for doubtful debts, 5% decrease in debtors value, 6,750. Next, difference amount transferred to partners capital account, that is revaluation loss, it is transferred. Next, second account is partners capital account. By balance brought down, whatever is the balance. By goodwill, it is distributed in 7:3. Next, as in Murthy and Mehta's firm, it was investments not to be taken to new firm. Here it is furniture, it is not taken to new firm. So distribute furniture in the ratio of 7:3. I have already told you. Goodwill is to be taken. It is taken to new firm. That is the reason you are showing it on credit side. Whereas furniture, you are not taking it to new firm. You are distributing it to partners capital account and you are closing off the value of the furniture. That is the reason you are recording it on debit side. Furniture distribute among Shastri and Sundar. Next, revaluation loss, show it, and any difference transfer it to new firm account. Next, last account is new firm account. Third account in Shastri and Sundar books is new firm account. Yes, on the credit side, you have bills payable, creditors, and partners capital account as balance shown in partners capital account. Next, machinery as it is, stock revalued, debtors revalued, cash as it is, and goodwill. You are not showing the value of furniture because it is not to be taken to new firm. Yes. Now, last step, that is in the books of new firm. Third step in the books of new firm. Now, till now we did not find any changes. The first two steps we did it as we were doing in our previous problems. What was the only change? Investments distributed and furniture distributed. That's all. In this third step, that is in the books of new firm, that is Murthy, Mehta, Shastri and Sundar. First account what we have to prepare is partners capital account. Why are we preparing this? Because goodwill is taken to new firm but it is not shown in the books of accounts. It is included in partners capital account. So first what you have to do, by old firm, that is partners capital balances, take them. Next, to goodwill. Whatever the goodwill value, 15,000 of Murthy and Mehta, 15,000 of Murthy and Mehta and 24,000 of Shastri and Sundar. Total is 39,000. 39,000 divided by 4, you will get 9,750 each for 4 of the partners. Now, what you have to do? You have certain differences on the debit side and credit side. Why? Because the capital balance of partners is fixed. 6 lakh rupees divided by 4, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50,000. Now, difference amount, what you have to do? You have to prepare a new account called as partners current account. Wherever you have differences, it should be shown in partners current account. First, so what we will do for this? We will write down both the sides, credit side and debit side, partners current account. By partners current account, that is balancing figure. Here also same, to partners current account. What is this? Balancing figure. Wherever you have differences, record them either on the debit side or on the credit side. Now first let us take Murthy's account. What is Murthy's account total? 1,59,750. It is lesser on credit side. That means the balance is showing Murthy's account is showing partner's current account debit balance. So 1,59,750. 1,59,750 minus 1,42,200. How much you will get? 11,550 rupees. Yes. So what is partner's current account of Murthy showing? It is showing debit balance because debit side is greater than credit side. Next one, Mehta's account. What is Mehta's account total? Same 1,59,750. 1,59,750. It is greater on the debit side. 1,59,750 greater on debit side. So credit 1,59,750 minus 1,48,800. You will get 10,950 rupees. Yes. Next, which side is it greater? 1,59,750 and 1,82,625. It is greater on credit side itself. So 1,82,625. 1,82,625 minus 1,59,750. How much you will get? 22,875. Next, 1,59,000 on the debit side and 1,81,125 on the credit side. Which is greater? 1,81,125 is greater. 1,81,125. So minus 1,59,750. How much you will get? How much you will get difference? 21,375 rupees. So Shastri and Sundar current account balances are showing credit balance because credit side is greater than debit side. And Murthy and Mehta are showing debit balance because debit side is greater than credit side. Nil, 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 nil. This is how you will be preparing partner's capital account in case you have fixed capital. Whatever is the difference, you will be transferring to partner's current account, If debit side is greater, you will take it as debit balance. If credit side is greater, you will take it as credit balance of partner's current account. Now, next account is what? Amalgamated balance sheet. Last account in our last step is amalgamated balance sheet. Building Murthy and Mehta value and Shastri and Sundar value. Machinery Murthy and Mehta, Shastri and Sundar. Furniture same, stock same, debtors same. In the same way you have to prepare. Cash 9,000 plus 24,000, 33,000. And what is the new thing here? Partner's current account. In the previous account I have told you, Murthy and Mehta are showing debit balance. Transfer it. 11,550, 10,950. Same way on the liability side. Bills payable, creditors, partners capital account 1,50,000 each, that is 6 lakhs total. Next, partners current account. Shastri and Sundar is showing credit balance. So write it down. Credit balance 22,875, 21,375. Total is 7,94,250. With this, your amalgamated balance sheet has tallied. Only difference here is you will be showing partners current account balances. If it is debit balance, show it on asset side. If it is credit balance, show it on liability side.